Okay, now that we've completed our bone maps, we're ready to go ahead and start removing specimens from this jacket. Now thankfully, Otis chalk bones are actually really hard and will not need to have extra consolidant or a plaster support jacket added to the specimen before removal of the bones. These first two bones, which we believe could be part of the pelvis or part of the lower jaw, and the nice thing is these bones are very hard and stable, and also by removing them, we'll be removing bones from the portion of the jacket that is very fragile. Otis chalk bones are already coated in a hard layer of ironstone concretion, but they also have a lot of extra orange mudstone over the surface, which we can remove by just going ahead and scrubbing off with a little water and toothbrush. You can see how quickly the mudstone is actually washing off the surface of the bone. Now that we've cleaned off the mud, we can reassemble these pieces and determine that this is indeed an ilium as opposed to a part of the lower jaw. You can see right here, this is actually the acetabulum where the femur inserted into the pelvis. And for comparison, we have an ilium from a much, much smaller phytosaur that's also from the Otis chalk. And now we're ready to prepare away a lot of the excess mud and matrix off the bone surface underneath our microscope. Join us next time for an in-depth look at how we prepare the rock off the specimens.